Ewen MacIntosh, who played Keith in Ricky Gervais' The Office, has died aged 50 following a health battle. Ewen MacIntosh, who is best known for playing Keith Bishop in the BBC sitcom The Office, has died aged 50. His friend announced the sad news on Wednesday, sharing that he was completely devastated. Ed Scott shared on Twitter, "I am completely devastated by the loss of my very good friend Ewen MacIntosh. He may have had a famous face known by millions as Keith from The Office, but the person inside is what I will most remember." Ewen was so full of empathy, kindness, and integrity, and above all a really good man. Sending love to his parents Sarah and Ewen Sr., his brother Colin and his family, as well as his many friends and fans. Thanks to the incredible care and love provided by the wonderful medical staff and especially the nurses who all loved him when he brought a smile to their days. Ewen's representatives confirmed he had been supported by staff at Willow Green Care Home before his death. They added that there will be a private cremation for his close friends and family as well as a celebratory memorial later in the year. Ewen had previously shared updates from the hospital as he struggled with health issues. In February 2022, he tweeted a photograph of himself from his hospital bed while he was attached to medical equipment. He wrote in the caption, "Bad times for me, I am afraid, chums. Stay strong out there." Ricky Gervais was among the first to pay tribute to the star. Writing on Twitter, "Extremely sad news. The very funny and very lovely Ewen MacIntosh, known to many as Big Keith from The Office, has passed away. An absolute original. RIP." Fans of The Office flocked to social media to remember the beloved star. The account for the comedy's fan podcast, Out of Office, wrote, "Very sad news today about the passing of Ewen MacIntosh. Will always be fondly remembered firstly as a great guy, but also as a key part of the greatest British sitcom of all time. An excellent legacy to leave. RIP." A spokesperson for TV channel Gold said, "We at Gold are saddened to hear that Ewen MacIntosh has passed away at the age of 50. We loved him as Keith in The Office and were lucky enough to work with him over the years on the channel. Our thoughts go out to his family and friends at such a difficult time."